Consumer Cellular's Hotspot feature lets you share your phone's data with other devices. To enable it on Android, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, Mobile Hotspot, and toggle it on. On iPhone, find it under Settings, Personal Hotspot, and toggle it on. You can also use the Consumer Cellular app to manage it remotely. Crucially, set a strong, unique password in the hotspot settings under the password option using WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. Change this password monthly to prevent unauthorized access. Remember, hotspot usage drains battery quickly, and check your phone's compatibility, especially if it is an older model. Consumer cellular plans include varying amounts of high-speed hotspot data, such as 15 gigabytes on the unlimited plan. Exceeding this limit results in slower speeds or additional charges. While connected, download speeds can reach up to 50 Mbps on LTE, shared among connected devices with a maximum of 10 devices. There are no strict time limits on hotspot usage, but continuous use may trigger throttling to manage network load. To manage this, monitor your data usage via the Consumer Cellular app. Remember, Hotspot is not available on international roaming without add-ons. Check coverage maps for your area to get a sense of the speeds you can expect.